Write a detail about inquiry training model of teaching. OR. Write a short note on inquiry training model. OR. Describe in brief the structure and characteristics of inquiry training model. OR. What do you understand by the term inquiry training? How can you use inquiry training model to provide training in systematic inquiry to your students? Illustrate with examples. Inquiry training model. The inquiry training model is also known as the information processing model. This model was developed by J.R. Suchman, J. Richard Suchman. Inquiry training model is used for giving training of inquiry to the student. By using this model in the classroom, inquiry skill can be developed. This type of training gives the learners practice of thinking and speaking. In this model, there is more emphasis on self-learning. The student learns better when they participate in any inquiry. The main assumption of this model is that students are always curious and eager to learn new things. The inquiry process is a cooperative effort. It is always facilitated by the give and take of ideas. Its main objective is to develop the spirit of creativity among students. To develop among students the strategies for creative inquiry. To develop autonomy among students in learning. Elements of inquiry training model. Focus. The main objective of this model is that the student should be self-reliant to learn and inquire about various things, to give rise to cognitive skills of the students or to enhance the thinking ability of the student. To enable them to form conclusion based on facts. More specialty to impart training of inquiry skills. To enable them to have fluency in their thinking and speaking. Asterisk structure or syntax. There are 5 phases of structure or syntax. Asterisk confrontation with the problem or puzzling situation. In this phase, the teacher presents a problematic situation to the students and gives information regarding methods of inquiry. Its aim is to create new knowledge. Asterisk data collection or gathering and verification. In this phase, the students collect necessary information about whatever they see or experience. During verification, they can ask questions regarding objects, properties, conditions and events. This teacher can widen the scope of inquiry done by the students. Data gathering for experimentation. Experimentation has 2 parts, exploration and direct testing. In brief, it can be stated that during experimentation data is collected, hypothesis is built up and then testing is done. In this, teacher help them, so they do not waste time in building up wrong hypothesis. This is a stage when the student actually starts putting questions and the teacher is reacting to their question by saying yes or no as the case may be. This questioning by the student is continued till they are able to reach the stage when mastery could be solved. Formulation and organization of an information. In this phase, the teacher will invite the pupil to explain things. Through explanation, rules may be formulated. The deviation is also checked so that efforts are applied in the right direction and no energy goes waste. Analysis of the inquiry process. In this phase, the students are asked to analyze the methods they adopted for inquiry. In brief, analysis and evaluation of the entire inquiry, collected data or information are done. Principle of reaction. This element is concerned with the teacher's reactions to the student's responses. In this model, the teacher's reaction to the student is very impressive and interesting. Social system. In this element or step, interaction of student and teacher is done. In this model, there is a healthy interaction between the teacher and the student in which the student's ability to solve difficult problems and his scientific attitude is helped. The success of this model depends on the mutual cooperation between the teacher and the student. Support system. Support means additional facilities like special books, laboratory kits, permission, etc. A set of confronting the material is required. Technical understanding of the intellectual process and strategies of inquiry is required. Teacher may require resource material related to problem. Application and effect. This model is generally used in teaching for specific subjects. The student learns to analysis the various type of collected information. Any topic from a curriculum area which can be converted into problem situation or puzzle can be selected for inquiry training. Characteristics of inquiry training model. This model focuses an independent type of inquiry. This model revolves around intellectual confrontation. In this model, yes and no types of answers are given. The students develop the hypothesis and examine it. The students do not ask the teacher, how. In such a model, inquiry cannot be programmed. The students continue asking questions. In this model, the teacher and the student have equal importance. The main role of the teacher is to present the problematic situation in front of the student. The control of the teacher is less. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos.